Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning on the built-in Windows Media Player feature and collecting the visualization files you need. Open Programs and Features, select Turn Windows Features on or off, and enable Windows Media Player, then gather compatible visualizer plugins or Viz files. Make sure to keep those files in a distinct folder so you can track what you added. Once done, create a simple backup of current system or user media settings. That allows you to revert quickly if a step fails or conflicts occur. Next, copy the visualization files into the Media Player Visualizations directory, typically within Program Files or the User App Data path for WMP. If you have, AxDirect Show Modules, right-click an elevated command prompt and use regs32 to register them. This ensures Windows recognizes the plugin. If Windows 11 restricts execution, adjust the file permissions and set Windows Media Player to run in compatibility mode for Windows 7 or 8. Make sure to restart the shell or reboot. Finally, open Windows Media Player, play audio, and open the Visualizations menu to pick your newly installed plugin. You should see it immediately if registration and placement were correct. If it doesn't appear, verify whether you installed a 32-bit versus 64-bit build mismatch and re-register the plugin, then reboot. As a key troubleshooting tip, if visuals still fail, restore the backup you made. Run System File Checker to repair Windows components, or reinstall the Media Feature Pack and repeat the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.